How to add NFC card to Apple Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can add NFC card to Apple Wallet. So without any delay, let's just jump right in. For that, once you've opened up a device, directly head over to your settings. And under settings, look for this option called General, this one right here, and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding these sections on your screen. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on software update and make sure you've updated your software to the latest version. Once the update is completed, the next thing you need to do is open up your App Store. And once you're on your App Store, go ahead and search for NFC here. Once you go and search for NFC and file the results here, you need to go and search for the second one, this NFC tools, the second one. Just go ahead and tap on it and tap on this Get Blue option and wait for the installation to be completed. After the installation is completed, you need to open up the app and you'll be finding this interface on your screen. And the next step is tapping on this red option here. After that, you'll be finding this section where it is ready to scan. So you can just go ahead and approach an NFC tag and scan it, and it should automatically detect it and connect it. And after that is done, what you need to do is go to your wallet, open up your Apple Wallet, and go to the plus icon in the top. After that, you'll be finding this section, and under available cards, when you head over to your previous cards section, you should be finding your NFC card under this. So that is how you add up any NFC card to your Apple Wallet by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.